Look at the wind howling. We got a severe thunderstorm. No lightning yet though, but holy alright. Seriously exploded there. I'm gonna turn off the laptop before the power goes out. And it's very, very, very windy too. So that's probably in a severe state. Holy mackinaw, buddy! Is there like a tornado somewhere? No, there can't be any. Or is there? Look at the rain. Look at the wind. Like, can you feel that? This is a supercell. Look at that. Mother Nature's mad. If there's no lightning, there might be a possibility of a tornado. Hang on a second. Come on. No. Hurry up. There we go. Close my computer. Turn off. I don't think there's any lane, but that's a supercell. No energy. But look at that. Is there a tornado? Hang on, I'm gonna check out the weather. See what the heck is going on. Like, this is torrential. So watch out for some lightning. There might be some close ones. Well, you might not see it very well because of all the torrential downpour. So this is I've never seen a torrential downpour like this in a very long time. Imagine if there's another tornado like the one last year on the 20th of August, that would just be crazy. Look at this torrential downpour. Wow. It's crazy. There's no intense lightning, unfortunately. It's just very few. It would be nice if it was frequent lightning. This is pretty heavy. Okay, it looks like it died off. Okay, I'm gonna stop here now.